Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that has been making waves in the cleaning world, the Scrub Daddy Color Sponges. If you're looking for the best cleaning tool to tackle all your kitchen and bathroom messes this fall, you're in the right place. These sponges have taken innovation to a whole new level, and I'm excited to share why they might just become your new go-to cleaning companion. First up, let's talk about what makes Scrub Daddy sponges so unique. Each sponge is crafted from a proprietary material known as flex texture foam. This special foam is designed to change its texture based on water temperature. When you use it in cold water, it becomes firm, making it perfect for tough scrubbing tasks. On the flip side, when you use it in warm water, it softens up, allowing for gentle cleaning on delicate surfaces. This versatility means you have the right tool for every mess, whether it's baked on food or just a light dusting. One of the standout features of Scrub Daddy is its scratch-free guarantee. You can confidently use these sponges on a wide variety of surfaces, including glass, stainless steel, and non-stick cookware. No more worrying about scratching your favorite pots or leaving marks on your glassware. Plus, they're even safe to use on your car and windows. Another impressive aspect is that Scrub Daddy sponges are odor-resistant. When properly maintained, they can resist odors and stains for up to 8 weeks. That's right, no more smelly sponges lingering in your kitchen. With 3 vibrant colors in each pack, you can assign each sponge to a different area of your home. For example, one for the kitchen, one for the bathroom, and perhaps another for outdoor cleaning tasks. It's an easy way to keep your cleaning organized and hygienic. Now, let's talk about the ergonomic design. Scrub Daddy's unique shape allows for a comfortable grip while cleaning. The iconic smiley face design isn't just for fun, it actually serves a purpose. The eyes help you hold onto the sponge, providing a 360-degree reach for those hard-to-clean spots, while the mouth is perfect for cleaning both sides of your utensils at once. It's clever and effective, making your cleaning process quicker and more enjoyable. As we transition into fall, having reliable cleaning tools becomes even more essential. Whether you're preparing for holiday gatherings or just want to maintain a tidy home, Scrub Daddy Color Sponges are a fantastic addition to your cleaning arsenal. Their versatility, durability, and fun design make them a standout choice. So, if you're ready to elevate your cleaning game this fall, consider giving Scrub Daddy Color Sponges a try. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to keep your home sparkling clean. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Happy cleaning!